Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Pre-Bell with William in India. So today, fresh week, and we are hoping a very positive start for the day. And yes, a disclaimer that whatever the stocks and index that we discuss is just for educational purpose. So let's focus on Nifty setup. So last week we had discussed about the formation of a potential bottom. कि हाँ यहाँ पे एक potential bottom बना ऐसा जो विलियम ओनिल का मेथडोलॉजी है मार्केट स्टेटस का उस हिसाब से हमको लग रहा है लाइक डे 1, 2 एंड 3 3 दिन के लिए एक लो को होल्ड किया. So we had changed the status to a rally attempt. So now we are looking for a follow through day. Follow through day एक confirm uptrend का trend confirm करता है. So that's a potential thing. But yes, it confirms a uptrend. So for that, this is the level that we are looking for. 1.5% gain on a higher volume than previous session. So I think Friday कोई इतना high volume नहीं था, तो I don't think there might be a major issue to catch up with the volume. But if today's opening gain sustain और वहाँ से और भी आगे gains जाते हैं, and if Nifty moves about this level 15,935, this is for today only. So I have calculated this 1.5% approximately. Yes, so if Nifty closes around or about this level, then we will consider it as a follow through day. And this green line, that is the 21 DMA, that is somewhere around 16K. So maybe that might be the next thing to look for. On the downside, 10 EMA. Yeah, this pink line is the 10 EMA exponential moving average. What at least 2-3 weeks बाद उसको reclaim किया है यहाँ पे. So if it sustains and this follow through day comes, then that's a very positive setup for the Nifty. On the downside, you are looking for maybe the Friday's low and this 10 EMA to sustain. So if you look at some of the key news, I think the credit card spend has increased. So that's positive for some of the credit card companies like SBI cards. Also GHCL, according to their capex plan, have started a new spinning unit in Tamil Nadu. Dr Reddy announced the launch of a new injectable product. Welspun Corp bagged the order around 1600 crore. See, this happens जब भी oil and gases का price higher रहता है, तभी जो Welspun Corp जैसी companies है which are dependent on the oil and gas sector. So इनका main जो है जो उनका pipe वगैरह लगाना है, the piping का replacement. So US has a lot of pipes, the old pipes in the oil and gas sector to get replaced, which was supposed to due around 2021, but COVID की वजह से क्रूड प्राइस बहुत गिर गया था एंड दैट वाज नॉट सस्टेनेबल फॉर दोस कंपनीज. सो कोई डिमांड नहीं थी, रिप्लेसमेंट डिमांड, fresh infra demand, but now the crude oil price is sustained above a certain level of 100. So this will be positive for the oil and gas infra companies like Welspun Corp. Zomato board has approved the acquisition of Blinkit for around 4447 crore in an all stock deal. Now, if you look at the US and the Asian market, the Friday US market close was very strong, 3-4% gain on some of the major indices. Today, the Asian markets are trading higher. I think 1.5% is the average gain in the Asian market, which is quite positive. So let's see if the Indian market also hold that gains or not. Now, next, if you look, the Brent, it's trading around 110. So today or tomorrow, I think there is a OPEC plus meeting, and I think before that, the oil is a bit stable around 110. A US bond yield around 3.1 and the USD INR 78.34. So that's the status. Now, SGX Nifty, very good opening, 15,900 के अराउंड ओपन हो रहा है. यहाँ पे अगर गेन्स होल्ड करता है and if moves above that 15,935 level that I am talking about, then that's for today only, huh? Then that's very positive and we get a follow through day. Yes, if volume gives us support, because last couple of time that has happened कि हाँ 1.5% से ज्यादा गेन आया, 1.92% का गेन आया था, but volume support नहीं किया था. So that is a good indication that there is something wrong or what's going right in the market. Chart of the day, so we are back with these things, and today we have selected Mahindra and Mahindra as a chart of the day, and you all know that they are very successful marketing of Scorpio N model that is getting launched, the big daddy of SUV. And not only that, one thing that is we have selected the this one. But the last quarter results were above estimates. The demand for utility vehicles is very good, and I think the Mahindra is getting a good market share in utility vehicles. XUV 700 has been successful. Also, the tractor, the demand for tractor is increasing. अगर monsoon normal रहा तो वहाँ पे और भी demand बढ़ जाएगा. So overall, the scenario is very good. Plus, the commodity prices are going lower, especially the steel, copper that are used in the automobiles. So last week, the Bloomberg Commodity Index was down around 4.5 to 5%, and that has happened after a lot many weeks. So these all things are positive for the automobile companies, because all the component, कुछ भी देख लो सब metal का होता है auto में, rarely other चीजें use होती है. So that's why the input cost, which was a major issue, might reduce, and also the supply chains, जो कि एक problem था auto industry के लिए, वो थोड़ा normalize हो रहा है. So demand is already there. So if you look at the order book, the demand बहुत high है. महीनों साल लग जाते हैं अगर आपको कोई कार चाहिए आपके पसंद की. तो that's why you can see, if you look at the chart over here, and the volume action has been very good over the last couple of days, and it has closed near its all-time high. Also, this is the stage 1 breakout, which is something very good. And यहाँ भी अगर आप देखिए तो right side or just around the breakout, the accumulation was very good. And since last 2-3 sessions also, the accumulation is very good. So overall, it's a very positive chart to look for. That's it for today's session with William Moon in India. Thank you very much. See you all at the same time.